Haleigh's cell project. This is my plant cell. Okay, so right here is my cell wall, and the cell wall is a thin and flexible layer, but it protects the cell from any harm. Then next we have the cell membrane, the blue strip here, but usually the cell membrane comes all the way up here and here and here and here, and it comes down to the bottom. The job of the cell membrane is to let things come in and out, but it does not let bad things in that the cell would not want. Now we have this big round thing here. This is called the nucleus. The nucleus is like the brain of the cell, and it tells the other parts of the cell what to do. Okay, so right here is the mitochondria, and that is like the powerhouse, and it stores all the energy for the cell. Then right here we have the chloroplasts, and the chloroplasts are the part of the cell that contains the energy from the sun. So now we have the cytoplasm, and the cytoplasm is like this jelly material that reaches all the way on the bottom here, and its function is to it creates chemical reactions in the cell. This is my animal cell. There are 4 parts to the animal cell. There is the cytoplasm, the cell membrane is this darker green here, and then the mitochondria, and then the nucleus. So right here we have the cell membrane. The cell membrane's part is to make sure nothing bad goes into the cell and only good things, and so only good things go in and only good things come out. Then there is the nucleus. The nucleus is like the brain of the cell, and it tells like the mitochondria, the cytoplasm what to do. Then we have the mitochondria, and these guys are they conserve energy from the sun. Now we have the cytoplasm, which is where in the cell all the chemical reactions take place, and it is like a jelly type of thing that covers the bottom. Next, we are going to compare the cells to the real world. Cells are just like our school. So the cell wall is kind of just like our outside of our school, so it's kind of like here's the building. Then there's the cell membrane, and that is kind of like the doors, so there's kind of like a boundary of doors or the walls, like how you get in. Then there's the nucleus, and that's kind of like the principal. So like here's the principal's office, and that's kind of like where everything goes on, so that's kind of like the boss of it. Okay, next we have the mitochondria, and those are like the students, because they store all the energy in the cell, so there's like all the students are like always energetic, so there's some students. Okay, then there's the chloroplasts. Those are kind of like the windows, because they store all the energy from the sun, so like the sun would come in here, and it'd go in here, and make the school light. Now last but not least, there's the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is like the base, it's like where all the chemical reactions happen, and it's kind of in here. Right here, it's on the bottom of the cell, so like underneath everything. So like the nucleus would be on top, so nucleus would be more here and then yeah. Thank you for watching.